Hey there, fixers. So today we're going to reset the maintenance light on a 2014 Toyota Corolla. And this is how you do it. So you want to see the display right here where it says display and right there. So you want to turn on your ignition with key on, engine off. And now you press until you see trip A. Then you want to turn off the ignition. You want to press and hold where it says display. Sorry, I just have two hands, so I'm going to have to do it like this. So let's see, it can work right there. So I'm going to hold it and press it, and then I'm going to turn the ignition on, key engine off though. Right there. You're going to see those little things disappear, and then you're going to see 000, and then you're going to see trip A back and 00, and that's how you reset it. So you're going to see this, right, the maintenance light, like you're going to see it blinking as well when it's doing it. So you could do it multiple times. Just turn off the vehicle ignition, press the display and hold it, and you're gonna see the maintenance light right there blinking. You see it? And that's it. That's how you reset it. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe.